Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have admin rights and a quick backup of important files. This prevents data loss if the uninstaller fails. Once done, open Settings apps or Control Panel programs to locate the troublesome entry. If the program isn't visible, run Task Manager and stop any related background processes. This frees locked files so the removal tools can run. Make sure to note the exact program name shown on disk as you proceed to the next step. You'll now escalate to force removal techniques when the system reports Windows cannot find the uninstaller. First, try msexec with the product code or the program's built-in uninstaller run as admin. This often succeeds. If not found, download the vendor cleanup utility or run a reputable third-party uninstaller in elevated mode to remove files and service entries. Once those finish, inspect program files and app data for leftovers, and, if comfortable, clean orphaned registry keys. This removes broken references that cause the error. You finish by rebooting to let the OS release any remaining locks, and then run disk cleanup to clear temp installers. Once done, check services and startup entries to remove residual components. If the uninstaller is irreparably missing, reinstall the same version and then use its uninstall routine. That can recreate the missing uninstaller. If problems persist, boot to safe mode for a manual uninstall or use system, restore to roll back to a point before installation. This is the key troubleshooting tip when standard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.